Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. Firstly, I'm very sorry for the delay in video. I really had a lot of work and also my internals were going on, so I didn't get time at all to record any video. But I'm sure I'll try my best to upload videos every alternate days from now on. That is, as today is Tuesday, the next video will come on Thursday and next will be on Saturday and so on. So I'll try my best to upload it on every alternate day. I hope you'll like my videos and also share it as much as you can. So coming to today's video, I hope you'll remember that Friendship Day as well as Raksha Bandhan is coming up soon. Have you all planned anything yet? No. If you all planned, it's really good. If not, why don't you plan a cake? I know you all might be away from your friends and your brother, but still you can cut cake together on video call as everything is going on now during the lockdown. So why don't you prepare the same cake together and on video call cut it together? So in today's video, I'll be showing you a vanilla sponge cake recipe, which is very easy. You can bake it at home. So without wasting time, let's begin.
If you like the video, please do hit on the like button below, and also please do share it with your friends and family. If you all are new to the channel, please do subscribe by clicking on the red subscribe button below, and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.